iPhone 3G, 3GS wireless antenna repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a medium repair, and it will take about 20 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 00 Phillips screwdriver, spudger, SIM eject tool, small suction cap. Optional, we recommend using Magmat for all your repair needs. To see Magmat in action, see our Magmat video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone.